To decompose this rational expression into its partial fractions, we first need to factor this. So I'm going to take a look at the denominator, and the denominator factors into x plus 5, x plus 1. Now, when we do this, we can take the 4 out and then multiply it back in the end, or we can just do this partial fraction with 4x plus 16. And that's what I'm going to choose to do here. In the end, we're probably going to end up with easier numbers to work with since we're dealing with bigger whole numbers. Okay, so I have x plus 5, x plus 1, and I'm going to set up my partial fractions. So I have my b over x plus 5 plus my a over x plus 1. Okay, and I could have switched those a's and b's around, but I just want to keep these color coded. So when I multiply this through, I get b times x plus 1 plus my a times x plus 5, and that's going to be equal to my 4x plus 16. My original numerator is what I'm going to get when I add those terms together. So I'm going to group my terms. So I'm going to expand this out. So bx, I get bx plus ax plus my b times 1 gives me b plus a times 5 gives me 5a. And that's going to give me my 4x plus 16. And again, I'm going to group these together. So my 16 is going to be my constant and that comes from b plus 5a. And the other one, the bx plus ax, is going to give me the coefficient of 4. So here are my equations. Equation 1 is a plus b is equal to 4, the coefficient on x. My other equation is going to be b plus 5a is equal to 16. So I'm going to isolate the b here, and then I'm going to put it into my other equation. So I end up with, instead of b, I'm going to use 4 minus a plus 5a equals 16. Solving for a, this gives me 4a is equal to minus 4 for both sides. So a works out to be 3. Okay, so that's going to be my partial fraction from the a 3 over x plus 1. And then solving for my b value works out to be 4 minus 1, which is, 4 minus 3, which is 1. Okay, so my partial fraction then is going to look like this. It's going to be 1 over x plus 5 plus 3 over x plus 1. Okay, and we can always test this and check this by adding those two fractions together, and we should end up with the fraction that we started with.